Sunscreen is the final and most essential step in your skincare ritual. Today, we're sharing 3 Korean sunscreens that give you protection and that dewy finish we all crave. Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun, SPF 50, plus lightweight, creamy, and enriched with rice plus probiotics. It melts into the skin, no white cast. Great for daily wear. Isntree, Hyaluronic Acid Watery. Sun Gel, SPF 50 plus a hydrating dream, packed with 8 types of hyaluronic acid. It feels like a serum, perfect for dry or combo skin. Round Lab Birch Juice, Moisturizing Sun Cream, SPF 50 plus. Gentle, calming, and leaves a fresh glow. Great for sensitive skin and humid weather. Apply as the final step and reapply every 2 hours. Because glow isn't just about products, it's about protection. And there you have it. Best Korean sunscreens for everyday glow. Like, share, and subscribe to Glow Rituals for more Korean skincare steps made simple.